Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right with your diet, but something's still off? You're eating clean, choosing healthy foods, but your energy is low. Recovery from workouts takes forever. Your sleep is just okay, and maybe you feel like you're aging faster than you should. If that sounds familiar, I want you to know you're not alone, and it's not a failure of your discipline. What you're experiencing is a biology gap. You see, our modern food system has a little secret. While we're getting enough calories, we're often missing crucial cellular signals, the tiny messengers that tell our bodies how to repair themselves and stay youthful. There are a few reasons for this. First, our soil isn't what it used to be. Decades of intensive farming have led to soil depletion, which means the fruits and vegetables we eat today often have fewer micronutrients than the same foods did just 50 years ago. Studies have confirmed this drop in nutrient density. Second, the recommended dietary allowances, or RDAs, you see on food labels are designed primarily to prevent outright deficiency diseases, like scurvy or rickets. They weren't established to optimize your cellular function for peak performance and longevity. Think of it as the difference between just having enough fuel to avoid stalling and having high-octane fuel to win the race. And finally, as we get older, our bodies naturally become less efficient at absorbing nutrients from food and recycling cellular components. It's just a part of the aging process. So, even if you're eating the perfect diet, your cells might not be getting the full benefit. This is where a few specific, longevity-linked compounds come into play. I call them the missing links because they help bridge this gap between our modern diet and what our bodies truly need to thrive. Let's start with the first one, Spermidine. It might have a strange name, but its function is incredible. Spermidine is a powerful activator of a process called autophagy. Autophagy is essentially your body's cellular cleanup crew. Imagine your cells are like little houses. Over time, junk accumulates old, broken proteins and damaged parts. Autophagy is the process that gathers up all this junk, breaks it down, and recycles it into new, functional components. It's cellular renewal. By activating this process, Spermidine helps keep your cells clean, efficient, and youthful. In fact, large population studies have shown that people with higher Spermidine intake from their diet tend to live longer and have lower rates of age-related diseases. Now, you can find Spermidine in foods like wheat germ, mushrooms, aged cheeses, and legumes. However, getting a truly therapeutic dose from food alone can be challenging day after day. Next up is our second missing link, urolithin A. This compound is a game-changer for your mitochondria. If you remember from biology class, mitochondria are the power plants of your cells. They generate the energy, the ATP, that fuels everything you do, from thinking to moving to breathing. As we age, some of these mitochondria become damaged and dysfunctional. They don't produce energy well and can even create harmful free radicals. Urolithin A comes to the rescue by supporting a specific type of autophagy called mitophagy, the targeted removal and recycling of these old busted mitochondria. By clearing out the bad ones, it makes space for new, healthy mitochondria to thrive. The result? More cellular energy. Human clinical trials have actually shown that supplementing with urolithin A can improve mitochondrial efficiency and even enhance muscle endurance, especially in older adults. It helps your cellular power grid run cleaner and stronger. Here's the interesting part about urolithin A. Your body has to make it. It's produced by your gut bacteria when they break down compounds called elagitannins, which are found in foods like pomegranates, walnuts, and berries. The catch is, not everyone has the right gut microbiome to make this conversion happen efficiently. Some studies suggest that less than half the population can produce meaningful amounts of urolithin A from their diet. So, for many of us, even if we're eating piles of pomegranates, we might not be getting the mitochondrial benefits. This is a perfect example of a biological gap where a direct supplement can make a huge difference. Our third and final missing link is an amino acid you might have heard of. Glycine. Glycine is one of the most abundant amino acids in your body, and it's absolutely fundamental for repair. Think of it as the essential raw material for building and maintaining your body's structure. First, glycine is a cornerstone of collagen. Collagen is the protein that makes up your skin, bones, tendons, and cartilage. If you want strong joints and youthful skin, you need plenty of glycine. Second, it's crucial for detoxification. Glycine is a key component of glutathione, which is often called the body's master antioxidant. Glutathione protects your cells from damage and helps your liver detoxify harmful substances. Without enough glycine, your body can't produce enough glutathione, leaving you more vulnerable to cellular stress. And third, glycine has been shown to improve sleep quality. It can help you fall asleep faster and reach deep sleep by gently lowering your core body temperature. So where did all the glycine go? Historically, we got a lot more of it through nose-to-tail eating consuming things like bone broth, gelatin, and the connective tissues of meat. Our modern diets, which favor lean muscle meats, have dramatically reduced our glycine intake, creating another critical gap in our nutritional foundation. Now, you might be thinking, okay, these three compounds sound great on their own, but the real magic happens when you bring them together. This is what I call stacking. These missing links don't just work in isolation, they work in synergy. They create a powerful cycle of cellular renewal. Think of it this way: Spermidine acts as the signal for the cleanup crew to come in and clear out all the old, damaged cellular junk through autophagy. Then urolithin A specifically targets and restores your energy production by cleaning up your mitochondria. Finally, glycine comes in and provides the essential raw building blocks needed to repair what was broken and build new, healthy structures, like collagen. Together, they create a comprehensive system for cellular maintenance. Spermidine clears the way, urolithin A restores the power, and glycine supplies the materials for the rebuild. This synergy supports overall mitochondrial health, enhances DNA repair mechanisms, builds metabolic resilience, and ultimately can help slow down your biological aging process. But I need to be really clear about something. This is a very important reminder. Supplements are not shortcuts. They are not magic pills that can replace a healthy lifestyle. They are amplifiers. They work best when they are amplifying the positive effects of the good things you are already doing. This means getting high-quality sleep every night. It means moving your body regularly, whether that's walking, lifting weights, or doing yoga. It means managing your stress through practices like meditation or spending time in nature. And it means continuing to eat a nutrient-dense, whole foods diet. If you're not covering these lifestyle bases, the supplements will underperform. You can't out-supplement a bad diet or a chronic lack of sleep. The goal here isn't to reverse aging by just taking more pills. The real goal is to restore the missing biological signals that our modern world has quietly stripped away. For thousands of years, our diets and lifestyles provided these signals naturally. Now, we often have to be more intentional about putting them back in. When you give your body the right signals and the right raw materials, it has an incredible, innate ability to heal and repair itself. The body remembers how to stay young. You just have to remind it how. By addressing these missing links, you're not just patching a hole. You're restoring a fundamental biological process that is key to long-term health and vitality. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on how to optimize your biology. See you in the next video.